Hello student, I am Ruby Maurya. Today I will teach you class 7th maths chapter first integers. Firstly, we have learnt in previous classes about whole numbers and integers. Whole numbers which are started from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on called whole number, and integers form a bigger collection of number which contains whole number and negative number. In other ways, we can say that integers are all positive numbers, negative numbers included with 0. For example, we have here 0 and all positive number here 1, 2, 3 and so on, and -1, -2, -3, -4 are negative number and so on. So these are integers. So in this chapter we will review and revise what we have done in previous class about integers. Integers, we plot integers on a number line. For integers, we extend line from 0 both side, in right side and in left side. In right side, which is right hand side, and in left side all positive numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and in left side all negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So student, here all positive number in right side, all positive numbers, positive integers, not numbers, positive integers in right side, and in left all negative integers. So student, this is the representation of integers on a number line. Now we comes to the next topic, addition and subtraction of integers. For addition and subtraction of integers, we have depend on greater integers. Here plus 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 minus minus minus, माइनस 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 इट मीन्स अगर दो नंबर माइनस में होगा तो नंबर्स को तो हम ऐड कर देंगे, बट उसके आंसर में हम साइन निगेटिव यूज़ करेंगे. एंड नेक्स्ट माइनस प्लस माइनस और प्लस माइनस माइनस और प्लस, इट मीन्स माइनस और प्लस होगा तो आंसर माइनस में भी हो सकता है, प्लस में भी हो सकता है. वाई? अगर ग्रेटर नंबर निगेटिव में होगा तो आंसर निगेटिव होगा, अगर ग्रेटर नंबर पॉजिटिव में होगा तो आंसर पॉजिटिव में होगा. सो सिमिलरली अगर आंसर पॉजिटिव, ग्रेटर नंबर पॉजिटिव में होगा तो आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा, और अगर निगेटिव में होगा तो आंसर निगेटिव होगा. बट इन द कंडीशन ऑफ माइनस प्लस and plus minus, in both situation we subtract the integers. For examples, let two positive integers, suppose 4 plus 6, we get plus 10. Here 4 plus 6 plus हमने प्लस किया and answer plus 10, which is a positive integer. Next example, suppose -3 -7. Here listen, -3 -7 is -10. Here numbers will be added, but we use negative sign because greater number has the negative sign, so our answer is also in negative sign. Next example, suppose -2 plus 5. Here minus plus we subtract, माइनस प्लस हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 5 माइनस 2. अब 2 में से तो 5 निकालेंगे तो -2 + 5, इट मीन्स वी गेट 3 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. वाई? बिकॉज हियर ग्रेटर नंबर है पॉजिटिव साइन, सो आवर आंसर इज इन पॉजिटिव साइन. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सपोज 6 minus 7. Here 6 minus 7. Here 6 has the positive sign and 7 has the negative sign. So we subtract 6 minus 7, we get minus 1, because here greater number has the minus sign, so answer is also minus sign. So student, this is the more about for integers in the case of addition and subtraction. Now we comes to the next topic, multiplication and division of integers. When we multiply one positive integers and one negative integers, we get one negative integers. When we multiply a negative integers with positive integers, we get a negative integers. When we multiply two positive integers, then we get also positive integers. When we multiply here two negative integers, minus and minus, we get plus. But in the case of addition subtraction, minus we get minus, but in the case of multiplication, minus we get the positive integers. For this we have examples. Suppose one positive integers, 2 multiply minus 3, we get 2 into minus 3, 2 3 is 6, minus 6. Next example, suppose minus 4 into 7, we get minus 4 into 7, minus 28. And next example, two positive integers, let 2 into 5, we get 2 5s are 10. And then let two negative integers, minus 3 into minus 5, we get 3 5s are 15, minus here minus plus, so here minus positive integer, 3 5s are 15, and here also positive integer. So student, this is the multiplication and division of integers. When any number in positive integer, then we this is not necessary to write a positive sign. Okay student. So student, here we see the multiplication of integer, and similarly for division cases. It means when we divide a positive integers or negative integers, when we divide a positive integer with negative integer, we get negative. When we divide a negative integer with positive integer, we get negative integer. When we divide two positive integer, we get positive integer. When we divide two negative integer, we get positive integer. So in the case of division, this is also same. Now we comes to the next topic, addition property. Addition property for integers. Here first property is closure property, but closure property here, note that integers are closed for addition, subtraction and multiplication, but not closed under division. In previous classes you have learned about closure property in the case of whole numbers. When we add two whole numbers, we get also a whole number. So student, here in the case of integers, here we have some examples. Suppose two integer, when we add 6 plus 2, we get 8, which is a positive integer. When we subtract two integers, suppose 4 minus 7, we get 4 minus 7, we get minus 3. So this is also integer. And next we multiply two integers. Suppose 2 into minus 3 is equal to, here we see that our negative integer and the positive integers we multiply it, we get negative integers. Here 2 is in positive integer and 3 is negative integers. So here we multiply a positive integer or negative integer, we get 2 3 is 6, minus 6, which is also integer. So here we see that integers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now here for division, suppose 4 is divided by 2, we get 4 is divided by 2, we get 2, a positive integer. But when 2 is divided by 4, we get 2 by 4. It means 1 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 by 2, which is not the integer. So student, here we see that integers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not closed under division. Now we comes to the next topic, commutative property. In previous class, in the case of whole numbers, we have learnt about commutative property. So here we see that in the case of integers, when we add two integers, a plus b is equal to b plus a, we get same answer here. Suppose two integers, 2 plus 3 is equal to, it can be written as 3 plus 2. In both situations we have the same answer, 5. Suppose minus 1, next example, minus 1 plus minus 2, or it can be written as minus 2 plus minus 1. We solve minus 1, here plus and minus, in bracket minus and here plus. We multiplied here plus minus minus 2, and here minus 2 plus minus, in bracket minus plus minus minus 1. Here minus minus, in previous video we have learned minus minus numbers will be added, but we use minus sign. Minus minus, minus 1, minus 2 is minus 3, and here also minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3. So we can say that integers are commutative for commutative property. So next property is associative property. In previous class you have learnt about whole numbers associative property. When three integers, suppose a plus b, a, b and c, it can be written as a plus b in bracket plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Firstly here, सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हम पहले दो इंटीजर को ऐड करेंगे, उसके बाद थर्ड इंटीजर c को इसमें ऐड करेंगे, या फिर हम a प्लस सेकेंड और थर्ड इंटीजर को ऐड करें, फिर उसमें फर्स्ट इंटीजर को ऐड करें. फॉर दिस वी हैव सम एग्जाम्पल्स. minus 2 plus 3. Suppose two integers and third integers is 1. Here minus 2 plus in bracket 3 plus 1. Here minus 2 and plus 3. We get minus plus minus, but here greater number is positive sign, so our answer is positive sign. तो minus 2 plus 3, यहाँ पर तो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 3 में से 2 निकालेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ माइनस और प्लस है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 1 आएगा. क्यों पॉजिटिव में आएगा? क्यों? क्योंकि 3 ग्रेटर नंबर है 2 से, जो कि पॉजिटिव साइन में है, इसलिए ये भी पॉजिटिव में रहेगा. एंड हियर दिस 1, एंड हियर minus 2 plus 3 1 4. Here 1 1 2, and here minus plus माइनस तो करेंगे, बट ग्रेटर नंबर पॉजिटिव में है तो आंसर भी पॉजिटिव में होगा. वी गेट 2. सो वी कैन सी दैट आवर आंसर इज सेम. सो इंटीजर्स, फॉर इंटीजर्स associative property is applicable. Next, for note here, for subtraction, commutative and associative property is not applicable. For this, student, you can solve in your notebook. For subtraction, commutative, associative property is applicable or not applicable. You solve this. Hello student, in previous videos we have learnt about integers, properties of integers. First property is addition property, and now we discuss multiplication property of integers. Here commutative property, first property is commutative property. In previous classes you have learnt about whole numbers. When we multiply two whole numbers, after that changes its places, then multiply, then we have got the same answer. So here about integers, when we have two integers a and v and multiply both integers. After that changes its places, b into a, we have the same answer. For this we have an example. Suppose first integer is 2 and second integer is minus 1. After that we change its place. Suppose first integer here b into a, so here minus 1 into a, 2. We multiplied here 2 into minus 1. Here 2 is in positive, 2 is the positive integer and 1 is the negative integer, and when we multiply a positive integer and a negative integer, we have the negative integer. So here 2 1 ja 2, 2 multiply minus 1, and here minus 1 multiplied by 2. Here 2 1 ja 2, minus 2, and here minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So student, here we see that we have the same answer, minus 2 and minus 2. So we can say that commutative property is applicable for integers. Now associative property. In previous class about whole numbers, you know that when we have three whole numbers a, b, c, so it can be written as a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. It means जब हम दो इंटीजर्स का मल्टीप्लाई करें, पहले हम दो इंटीजर्स का मल्टीप्लाई कर लें, फिर उसमें थर्ड इंटीजर्स का मल्टीप्लाई करें, या फिर पहले हम सेकंड और थर्ड इंटीजर का मल्टीप्लाई कर लें, उसके बाद उसमें हम फर्स्ट इंटीजर का मल्टीप्लाई करें, तो हमें सेम आंसर मिलता है. फॉर दिस वी हैव एन एग्जाम्पल. सपोज हियर minus 3 first integer into 2 in bracket into third integer, suppose 4, and a minus 3, b 2, c 4, and it can be written as here firstly a here is minus 3, here also we write minus 3 into in bracket b 2 and c 4 in bracket b into c, then we write 2 into 4. Since we multiply here minus 3 into 2, here 3 is in negative integer and 2 is a positive integer. When a negative and positive integer multiply, then we get the negative integer. So 3 2 ja 6. It means here minus 6 into 4 is equal to minus 3 into 2 4 ja 8, and finally we have 6 4 ja 24, here minus because here multiply one negative integer and this is positive integer, and here 3 8 ja 24, it is also minus 24. So students, here we see that answer is same, minus 24 minus 24. It means associative property is applicable and through integer. And in multiplication property have the first property commutative property, associative property, and third property is distributive property under addition and subtraction. Here let a three integer a b c, it can be written as a multiply in bracket b plus c is equal to, here a का मल्टीप्लाई b के साथ करेंगे, पहले a का मल्टीप्लाई b के साथ, फिर a का मल्टीप्लाई c के साथ, तो a b के साथ भी आ रहा है, फिर a c के साथ भी आ रहा है, तो इसे हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी कहते हैं. सो हियर इक्वल टू a इंटू बी, सिंस हियर प्लस देन वी पुट हियर प्लस, फिर a इंटू सी. सिमिलरली फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन, a इंटू बी माइनस सी इज इक्वल टू a का मल्टीप्लाई b के साथ, फिर a का मल्टीप्लाई c के साथ is equal to a into b, here minus, then we put here minus, फिर a into c. This is the two property under addition and subtraction. This is the distributive property of integers. For this distributive property we have the example. Suppose 2 into in bracket suppose 3 plus 4. So here we solve 2 multiply by 3 and then 2 multiply in 4. So here write 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. This is the distributive property. Distributive यानी इसको distribute करके फिर solve करना. 2 3 जा 6 plus 2 4 जा 8. 6 and 8 14. So student, this is the distributive property. Hello student. First of all, we will review about integers from starting. Firstly, we have discussed about integers, addition, subtraction of integers, multiplication, division of integers, and the properties of integer. Here, addition property. Firstly, we have the first property, closure property, which is closed for addition, subtraction, and multiplication, but not closed under division. And additive property, which contains first property, commutative property, associative property, and for subtraction, commutative and associative is not applicable. And next property is multiplication property, in which contain commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. And for division, these property are not applicable. Now we discuss about integer 0 and 1. For 0, suppose when we have integer 3 and in this integer we add 0, we get the same integer 3. It means student कि जब किसी इंटीजर में हम 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो हमको वही इंटीजर मिलता है, या फिर हम 0 में किसी इंटीजर को ऐड करें 0 प्लस 6 तो भी हमको वही इंटीजर मिलता है. नेक्स्ट फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. हियर सपोज जब हम किसी इंटीजर में सपोज 2 इंटीजर है और इसमें से हम -0 करते हैं तो हमको फिर भी वही इंटीजर मिलता है. सपोज अगर 0 में से हम कोई इंटीजर माइनस करते हैं तो भी हमको वही इंटीजर मिलता है. स्टूडेंट हियर केयरफुली सी दैट हियर -0 - 5 we get -5 because 5 is the greater from 0, so answer in negative sign. Now for multiplication, when we multiply to one integer suppose 2 with 0, we get 0, or in 0 we multiply by any integer suppose 5, we get also 0. It means 0 को किसी भी हम इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करें या 0 में किसी इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आंसर हमको 0 मिलता है. मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स हियर. Suppose -5 into 0 then also 0, or 0 into -2 then also 0. Now for division, suppose any integer, suppose 0 is divided by 10, then we have 0 upon 10, it means 0 upon 10, then we have 0. But when any number, suppose any integer 5 is divided by 0, then what is the value? This is not defined. This is the symbol of not defined. It means कि जब हम 0 में किसी इंटीजर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमको 0 मिलता है, बट 0 से किसी इंटीजर को हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, अगर 0 से किसी इंटीजर को डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो वैल्यू नॉट डिफाइंड होती है. So student, this is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with 0 integer. Now for 1, here when any integer suppose 2 into multiply by 1, then we have the same integer 2. More example, suppose -3 into 1, we have the -3, or suppose 1 into 5, we have the 5. 1 into -6, we have the -6. सो स्टूडेंट हियर वी सी दैट कि जब 1 से हम किसी इंटीजर को मल्टीप्लाई करें या 1 में किसी इंटीजर का मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमें सेम इंटीजर मिलता है. This is the multiplication with 1. Now for division, suppose that when any integer, suppose 5, we divided by 1, then we have the same integer 5 minus 6 is divided by the 1, we have the same answer minus 6. But when 1 is divided by 2, then it is integer. We have the integer, not integer. This is the value 1 upon 2, not integer. Why? When we divide 1 by 2, we have answer in decimal form. So this is not integer. So student, in the case of division, we see that when 0 is divided by note condition, this is 0 is divided by any integer a, then we have the 0. Okay student, and for 0 के लिए है ये, जब हम 0 को किसी इंटीजर से डिवाइड करते हैं 0 मिलता है. बट अगर हम इस किसी इंटीजर को हम 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा, अगर 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको नॉट डिफाइंड, वी हैव द नॉट डिफाइंड, कि 0 से डिवाइड करने पर कोई आंसर हमको नहीं मिलेगा. फॉर 1, व्हेन किसी इंटीजर में जब हम 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको वही इंटीजर मिलेगा. बट अगर हम 1 से किसी इंटीजर को डिवाइड करेंगे तो वो हमको इंटीजर नहीं मिलेगा, नो इंटीजर. So student, these are all the properties of integers. You all properties note in your notebook. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day.